How to add text behind an image in Photoshop. First, make a selection of your object or main subject using the selection tool. Now go to select the main object by going to Filter and Subject. After that, go to your Layers panel. The most important part here is when you add text. Make sure you create a new text layer above the background layer, but below the subject layer. Now, when you type your text, it will automatically appear behind the subject, giving a natural, layered effect. And that's it!